What?
Let me see what's on the golf cart.
Oh, it's a parrot.
I see.
The Jimmy Buffett parrot head shirt.
I like it. Perfect.
That one went straight, but I was
Yeah.
trying to go left on it.
Oh, you got a good kick. You said perfect.
Unacceptable.
She said perfect.
Way right.
Parrot shirt. She said perfect. She didn't mean to. I did mean to.